Okay, welcome back. It is day 189, I think, of coding every day. So today had presentation for research. Definitely took this day has been so long. It's felt like 3 days. But yeah, the presentation went fine. It was too long. I knew that going into it, but it still went fine. Other presentations were cool to listen to. Everyone's doing there's two other people doing autism related things, and someone's doing like a autonomous like robot that goes into a burning house to look for fumes, different types of fumes. Someone's doing I kind of forget, but there's other ones. There's like six projects. So yeah. As for leak code, um, did just a very simple problem on given these letters, can you form this string? Pretty simple. So that was an easy solution. That's all I really got. We went bowling as a program today. Didn't win. I got fucked over though. I got fucked over because I started with a strike and then a spare, and then the third one to get my like spare, like addition thing. It not even that. It invalidated my like I went and I hit like 5 pins. Like it was probably gonna be a bad turn, but it was still would have and it wiped that and my second ball. So it was just a zero and the spare meant nothing. And so I ended up losing by like I don't know, 13 points. All I'm saying is, I got a good amount of those pins down on that second ball. Things could have been different. But yeah, so um that's all I have for today. Like I said, this weekend I'm going to um, somewhere else, not in my dorm. So I assume I'll just record like a laptop video somewhere. I don't know where. Um, yeah, I'll figure that out when the time comes. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.